Happy morning, children.
Happy morning, Aunty.
Yes, today we are going to see experimental method with we are going to learn about parts of plants. Okay. Yes, everybody know what is this? Plant. Yes or no? This is a plant. We already learned parts of plant. What is that? Stem,
leaf, flower.
yes, very good, very good. So now we are going to cut and arrange it the parts of plants. Okay, ready? So first one, what is this? Leaf. Okay, I'll keep the leaf here. So where is the leaf?
Here.
So I pluck one leaf and keep it here. Okay. Next, what is this? Root. Very good. So now I am going to cut one root. Okay, this is a root. I cut it and keep it here. Okay. So next, what is this? Stem. What is that? Stem. So this wooden type material, that is a stem. Okay, now I am going to cut the stem. Wait. This is stem. What is this?